Absolutely.
It's like inviting people into your studio.
Yeah, letting them peek behind the curtain.
It demystifies that creative process.
And it makes that final product even more impressive.
So you're sharing your work, you're engaging with fans,
Yeah.
building a community.
Yeah.
But how does all this
How does what?
translate to income?
Well, this is where ETS really shines.
Okay.
They distribute their music
Okay.
to over 200 streaming platforms.
200.
Yeah.
Seriously.
It's huge.
That's mind-blowing.
And here's the real kicker.
What?
Toy photographers who create album art
Yeah.
for ETS,
Uh-huh.
they share in the streaming revenue.
Hold on, break that down.
Okay, so every time
Every time what?
someone streams a song
Okay.
that features your toy photography
Yeah,
as the cover art,
Huh.
you earn a percentage.
a percentage.
Yeah, the revenue.
So it's like
It's like getting paid.
every time someone listens to a song.
Exactly. But it's not just passive income.
No.
Both sources also talk about leveraging those platforms.
Like what platforms?
Instagram, TikTok,
Mm-hmm.
even YouTube,
To do what?
to create dynamic content.
Like what?
Reels,
Okay.
short videos,
Interesting.
maybe behind the scenes time lapses.
Of your shoots.
Yeah.
It's like taking your toy photography from just a static image
Right.
to a whole living world.
And those short form videos,
Yeah.
they can drive more traffic.
To your ETS profile.
And they can be monetized.
Oh, wow. So it's a double whammy.
Exposure and income potential.
And it sounds like that ties into the advice about collaboration.
Oh, absolutely.
Both sources emphasize
What do they emphasize?
networking,
Okay.
teaming up
With who?
with other toy photographers,
Right.
even musicians
Cool.
within the ETS community
So imagine collaborating
on a series of photos
for a whole album
or creating a video.
that showcases your individual styles.
And you're not just reaching your own followers, you're
Yeah.
tapping into a whole new audience.
Exactly.
I love how ETS creates this ecosystem of
Yeah.
creativity
It's so cool.
and support,
It's like building a team of superheroes.
each with their own unique powers.
I love that analogy.
And speaking of building,
Building what?
both sources talk about creating your own
My own what?
toy photography empire.
Well, hold on.
Now, before you picture a giant toy castle, let's unpack what that actually means.
Okay, I'm listening.
It's about treating this opportunity like a business,
Oh, okay.
developing a unique style, a brand
Gotcha.
that sets you apart.
It's about more than just snapping cool pics
Yeah.
and hoping for the best.
It's about having a plan
A strategy.
and recognizing that your toy photography
Yeah.
has value. It's about learning to price your services,
Okay.
market yourself
And really build a sustainable career.
that you love.
That makes a lot of sense.
So for our listener, this is more than a hobby,
It's about building a business.
a brand.
A legacy, even.
But the world of online content
Yeah.
is constantly changing.
It is. It's so fast paced.
So how can toy photographers stay ahead of the curve
That's a great question.
and make sure their work stays fresh?
Both sources talk about the importance of learning,
Well,
evolving,
Constantly.
staying informed about trends
In toy photography.
and music.
So it's about being a student of your craft,
Always seeking out new techniques
new inspiration,
and being open to feedback.
to criticism even.
Sometimes it's the best way to grow.
Step outside your comfort zone.
Embrace those new perspectives.
So true. So we've covered a lot.
We have.
We've talked about immersing yourself in the ETS universe, understanding musical styles,
Yeah.
experimenting with techniques,
Mastering that editing software
leveraging social media,
to build community.
and generate income,
We even touched upon collaboration.
and building your own toy photography empire.
It's a lot to take in.
But it's all so exciting.
Absolutely.
And we're not even done yet.
Oh, there's more.
There's so much more to explore.
Can't wait.
So stay tuned
Okay.
as we dive even deeper into the world of epic toy sound.
All right. Sounds good.
We'll be right back after a quick break.
I need some water anyway. Welcome back. Before the break, we were talking about the amazing opportunity ETS offers to toy photographers, and honestly, what we've covered is just the tip of the iceberg.
That's right. We talked about community building and even building a toy photography empire.
Okay.
But these sources offer a ton of really cool, specific ways to level up your ETS game.
Oh, absolutely. For example, one source suggested offering custom voice work.
Custom voice.
Yeah, for like phrases, quotes, maybe even lyrics.
To be integrated into the music on ETS.
Exactly. It's all about creating these unique, audio branding element.
So not just visuals, but audio too.
You got it. You're not just providing the visuals, you're adding a whole other dimension with sound.
That's pretty wild. That could be anything, right?
Anything.
Like a spooky whisper for a Halloween track, or like a robotic voice for electronic music.
Exactly. The possibilities are truly endless.
It's like being a voice actor for your own little toy universe.
I love that. And speaking of universes, one source suggested creating your own contests.
Contests.
Yeah, or themed challenges within the ETS community.
So instead of participating in existing challenges, you become the host.
The curator of a creative experience.
I love that idea.
It's a fantastic way to get noticed and foster a sense of community. Imagine setting a challenge, something like toys in unexpected places, and seeing all the crazy creative entries.
Right. Or recreate a famous movie scene with toys.
That's awesome.
And of course, you'd have to document the whole thing, share all that BTS gold.
Exactly. BTS is major. Document your process.
Welcome to